Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, updating charts today as we've had a bit of movement here, a bit of volatility, but not much movement on the BNB chart other than here a drop now that might lead us back into the yellow support area in a C wave because the move down looks quite impulsive. And I already complained about this structure, how it looked, if you remember. It could have been obviously something like a diagonal of sorts, but this now looks more and more just like a high B wave. And my message remains the same, really. So the scenario hasn't changed. As long as we stay above $283, the general focus can be on higher. And if we enter into the area here, in my opinion, the reward to risk ratio will be favorable again. It will be favorable again because what would be the target eventually, right? I mean, if we talk about targets here even for the yellow wave 3, I mean, to be honest, it depends a little bit how low we go now in the yellow box. But let's say we go to the golden ratio at $297, then the target would be $434 for a third wave if we turn around there. And that would, I mean, in terms of reward to risk, yeah, I mean, you talk here about a ratio of, if I set the stop loss just below 283 somewhere, I like to give the trades a bit more space. So even if you set it below the last swing low here, your reward to risk is still 3, and that is pretty good still. Yeah, I would normally consider 3 as a minimum that should be used. A lot of people say 2, but 3 gives you the chance that you can lose more trades and still be profitable. So yeah, that looks good. And there is no change needed. If we look into the micro structure, it's certainly possible that we're now in this C wave here to the downside, where we look at the move down as a wave 1, as a leading diagonal in the C wave, the move up in wave 2. Here we've got maybe a small 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe another low in a wave 3, 4, 5 of wave C. Looks like we are currently in the third wave, and in here it looks like a small 1, 2, possibly here the third, maybe we're just working on a fourth and another leg down. Just note that these lower degree counts can morph a lot, they can change a lot, but the strong move down gives the impression of a third rally to the downside. Yeah. So yeah, this is sort of the situation on the BNB chart. If we look at, okay, what could be a target? Typically you consider, I mean, obviously the box, but typically you can consider the 1-to-1 ratio. You take the length of the A wave, you go to the high of the B wave. 1-to-1 ratio would take us to the 50% retracement at $306. That's certainly a level to watch out for. Okay, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.